Hello, let's talk about diversification and why it's important when it comes to investing in stocks. Diversification means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Since investing to build wealth comes with a lot of risk, it is always advisable to minimize that risk by not investing all your money in one place. That kind of investment can lead to premium tiers, especially if you're a new investor who doesn't understand the fundamentals. It is riskier to buy individual stocks because if you put all your money in one stock and the stock goes down, you lose all your money. The solution is to invest your money in a package that comes with different stocks. So when one stock in the bundle goes down, another stock might go up and balance out. With this type of investment, your money goes up as the market goes up, no matter what's happening with any individual stock in your bundle. And that's why I love index fund and exchange traded funds. In Nigeria, we have a popular index fund that is called the NGX All Share Index. It tracks the performance of all listed companies on the Nigerian exchange. All the companies listed on the Nigerian exchange feel the effect of market forces. So if one company does poorly, it may be offset by another company doing well. This helps to balance out your investment, reducing the risk of losing all your money. Exchange traded fund, or ETF, is also a great way to diversify your portfolio. ETF is a type of investment that lets you own a piece of collection of stocks. Basically, just as a Christmas hamper is sold as a single basket containing many different products, an ETF is traded as a single stock that is made up of a lot of other stocks from different businesses. They are managed by professionals who buy and sell the individual stock to ensure that the bundle is balanced and diversified. With index funds and ETFs, you can invest in a diverse portfolio of stocks with a small amount of money, and the risk is reduced because your money is spread across different stocks. To sum up, diversification reduces your overall risk and increases your chances of catching out of the stock market. So, instead of buying individual stocks, consider investing in index funds and ETFs, so your money is automatically spread across different types of investments, and you have a better chance of making money in the long run. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to turn on notification so you know when the next video drops.